Hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So many of you have asked me on the Instagram that please share some important points related to direct tax of CMA final. So here I am sharing some important points related to direct tax of CMA final, because the syllabus of direct tax is very lengthy. So it will be sometime difficult to secure at least 40 marks. So first you have to focus on the securing 40 or 50 marks, and after that if you have a sufficient time, then definitely you have to look into other chapters as well that are not much important. But first what you have to do is first you have to focus on some important points, that is important chapters of CMA final. So here I have shared some important points plus minimum marks that you can expect in examination from the each of the chapter, and how much time you have to allot so that you can complete your CMA final as much as possible within the few days. So first is important point is PGBP. So first you have to focus on the PGBP, plus you have to focus on the firm, plus you have to focus on the MET, that is minimum alternative tax. So if you are doing these three chapters, then definitely you can expect at least 25 marks questions from these three chapters. So that is the minimum marks you can expect from these three important chapter. And you can allot your 5 days for PGBP if you want to do it perfectly, 2 days for firm, and 1 day that is enough for minimum alternative tax. So you can within 8 days you can complete your three important chapters, and you can secure at least 25 marks, and that is minimum marks. After that you have to focus on the international taxation, not on other topics, so that you can crack at least 20 to 25 marks questions from the examination. And you have to invest your minimum 4 days so that you can complete your international taxation very properly. So first you have to focus on the PGBP, after that firm, after that MET, and after that you have to focus on the international taxation so that you can secure your 20 to 25 marks, and that is minimum marks. So after that what you have to do is, here I have mentioned 3 chapters, but usually in examination you will not get each and every sum from 3 chapters. So out of 3 chapters you will get one sum that is of minimum 8 marks. So that is the minimum marks. Here I have not included the MCQ and other parts, but you can definitely expect 8 marker sum from the interest, TDS and the return. So out of 3 chapters you will get one sum definitely from the these three chapters. So you can expect at least 8 marker question from these three important chapters. So you have to invest only one days in the each of the chapter, because you have already studied all the chapters in CMA intermediate. You have already studied all the chapters that is important firm and PGBP in the CMA intermediate. So you have to invest less time, and in these three important chapters you have to invest at least 1 day for each chapter, but do it properly at least for CMA final direct tax, because that is the lengthy chapters as well as the syllabus of CMA final direct tax is lengthy. So you have to invest your at least 15 days. If you are investing your at least 15 days, then you can crack at least questions paper of 55 marks. So that is sufficient to crack at least paper number 16, that is direct tax. So after that what you have to do is, you have to focus on the last question, that is the theory question. Many people are ignoring the last question because this is the theory question, but never ignore that last question, that is question number 8. You have to do it properly, and this is the some chapters are fixed. Out of this fixed chapter you will get a theory question. So you have to do question number 8. After completing this all the important chapters, you can go for the theory. After that what you have to do is, you have to go for assessment procedure. So after from the assessment procedure you can expect at least 20 to 25 marks. So I hope you can clear your all the CMA final direct tax paper within 25 to 30 days. So that is the more than enough the time you have to invest in paper number 16. I hope this video is helpful to you. So everyone, so share this video if you feel so. And if you want a lectures of paper number 16, I have given a link in the description box, so you can check. And the demo session already available on the YouTube channel of Vedant Academy, where I took my CMA final classes as well. So you can once should check out the demo session of direct tax that is available on the YouTube of the Vedant Academy. And if you want to do classes of CMA final direct tax, then you can reach out to them. So I hope this video is useful to you. So first you have to complete these important chapters. So remember remember you can note down this important chapter so that it will be useful to you. So share this video if you feel so, like the video, and if you are new on the channel then make sure you have pressed the subscribe button, because at the end of the June month we have to reach at 5k, so press subscribe button. And here I am ultimately here I am sharing questions paper. Here you can check question paper of that paper number June 2019 attempt, plus you have to check the December 2018 attempt question paper. You will find that the important chapters which here I have mentioned, you will get a maximum question from these important chapters. So you, for your rectification or for your satisfaction, you can check the last attempt question paper as well. And before going for examination, one should visit the last 2 attempt question paper so that you can get to know about the paper pattern as well. So I hope this video